Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, the best place where you can learn about various technologies. My name is Sushil and today I'm going to explain how to activate YouTube parental control. Let's see how to activate YouTube parental control so you could better restrict YouTube from showing your kids content that you don't want them to see. I will show you 3 different things. You can choose which one is best for you. The first thing I'm gonna show you is the app called YouTube Kids. Instead of having your kids using the actual YouTube app, there is a different app dedicated for kids called YouTube Kids. If you download this app on your mobile and open the app, kids won't even be able to access this app. They will need parents to unlock the app for them. So if your kid is above 5 years, then this is a great option for you. I have a completely different video on YouTube Kids, so make sure you watch that video for your easy reference. Let's see option 2, which is for YouTube mobile app and youtube.com. Now let me show you how to turn on YouTube restricted mode. Make sure you sign into YouTube account on your mobile. On right hand top corner, click the profile icon, then go to settings, then go to general, and right here there is a mode called restricted mode. This will help to hide potentially mature videos for this device only. Again, this is not 100% accurate. But if you turn this on, lot of videos, comments and lot of things that you may want to keep your kids away from will be disabled on actual YouTube app. This settings is limited to mobile device only. Now let's see settings for the computer. Make sure you have signed into YouTube account on your computer. On right hand top corner, click the profile icon, then there is a restricted mode option available at the bottom. The same option which is inside the YouTube mobile app is also available here. When you click activate restricted mode option on this browser, nobody could turn it off without signing into the YouTube account. To turn off this restricted mode, same Google account password is required. Finally, the last thing I want to show you is google.com/preferences. As long as you are logged in with the same account and you open the google.com/preferences site, you need to check this option on, turn on safe search. So, YouTube Kids app, restricted mode and safe search, these are 3 ways where you could hide restricted content and make YouTube more kids friendly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel, as we are going to be share such more technical videos on our channel. Thank you.